Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add your TikTok profile link to your Instagram bio. This is a great way to cross-promote your accounts and reach a wider audience. So, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in Settings, tap on Share Profile. Tap on Copy Link. Now, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the Edit Profile button. Tap on Add Link. Choose Add External Link. In the URL field, paste your TikTok profile link. You can also add a title here, and finally, tap on the Done button. That's it. You've now successfully added your TikTok profile link to your Instagram bio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.